We're doing it on Edopro. I just want to point this out here. Before I was like, well, if I'm gonna activate something, I can't press this. You actually could. You go to your local C. If it's not pinned into your quick access, Project Ignis, double click, go all the way down, go to the readme.md. Let's just full screen it. I'll tell you all. Right here, it's the Duel. Now it says F1 to F4. I did that before, it didn't work. But if you press the FN button, FN, and so what is it? I want to check my extra deck. I think it's FN, hold it, and F3. There you go, you could actually check it. Okay. So you want to see his graveyard. FN is like F5 or something? Yeah. FN, F1 is my graveyard. FN, F2 it's nothing, it's probably like banished. F3 is the extra deck. F4 I don't know what the heck that is. F5 is his grave. F6 probably is banished or something, and then F7 is his extra deck. How many he has in his extra deck? What about F8? Nothing. F9. So I press FN, the function button, and then the F1 to like F7. It says right. Where the heck did that go now? Xyz Material. Okay. And that's about it. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.